In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to apply a modifier in Blender. So as you can see right now, I've actually modified this cube here, so it's got a bevel edge here. And what we can see here is if I get this cube, I can go ahead and select it. And on the right hand side on here, you can see if I go down to this section here, this is modifiers. I can go ahead and add a modifier. Now I'm going to go generate and I'm going to add a bevel. And I'm going to just increase the amount of segments to 4 like this. Now you can see here the edges are beveled, and if I go to edit mode, what you'll notice is that it's still the same cube, it's just like smaller in a way, the edges. So you can see it's not like changed it. So what we can do, go back into object mode over here. If you see on the right hand side next to the modifier, you're going to see a little drop down box. At the top you'll see apply, or you can do Control A, click on that, and that's going to apply the modifier. So now if we go to edit mode, you can see that the object now is just the square here, or the cube, and yeah, you can see it basically work like that. So that's how you basically apply a modifier, and that's where the apply button is. So if you enjoyed the video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.